Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you what I got in my last farmhouse haul of home decor. So let's get started. I'm going to show you what's in this box and how I'm going to decorate my office. If you are new to my channel, my name is Seng and I write and blog and create videos all around farmhouse decor, neutral decor, modern farmhouse, boho style decor. And so today what I'm going to show you is basically what I got at this little boutique that I found in store. And I'm sure if you look around in your neck of the woods, you'll be able to find a store that carries a lot of this stuff. So I'm going to show you what I got in this bag. I will go ahead and link down to the cute boutique that I go to in my hometown. Okay, so first off, I needed something for this shelf right here. If you see it, it's this pink blush metallic shelf that I got at Hobby Lobby. I actually painted it metallic pink myself, but it came in black. But I needed something for this craft room, which is also my corporate IT office that I use at home to work remotely. So I wanted to see have something that was in the background that was fairly neutral as well as not too craftsy, so that whenever I'm on a Zoom or a Teams call, it doesn't look like I'm in my craft room. It looks like an office kind of. So what I got was like this little wreath here. It has this like light color. It's not like too green. So I got one of these. And then I saw these little cute vases. I think it's a vase. So that was like $5. And then I got this cute little picture that I'm going to place something in there. And then there is a trend right now, this is what the boutique owner said, of having little wood pieces around the house. That's kind of vintage and boutique, if you will. So I'm going to place this somewhere on the shelf as well. And then we've got a succulent with like clear, so you can see like all the different like layers to it. So that's really cute. Then I got a cute little candlestick. Might have broke something. We got another candlestick, and this is like cement. I think it's cement. And then I got another candlestick. So I'm really big on white candlesticks apparently. So that's what I got, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to decorate it. I'm going to basically show you a video of me decorating the shelf, and then you guys can see like how I kind of move things around or add things from other areas of my house in order to decorate. So let's get started. I'm going to show you exactly what I do.